Well, hello, my viewers. How's everybody going out there? How's everybody doing out there? We're going to turn this on. Let's get this one right here. Let's get this set up. We can get this lined up for you guys right here. There you go. All right, let's get this shot set up real good here. Real quick. Yeah, okay. All right, my viewers. How's everybody doing out there? Hopefully everybody's doing good. We have a little very short unboxing for you, so... yeah, so we got today. We're going to be unboxing the let's see, what's it called here? Okay, I gotta look. We're off shot for a while, so you guys aren't looking at anything right now other than my pink cutting mat. That's about it from X-Acto. So we're going to be unboxing the Ugreen Smart Digital Life OTG cable. So right here for smartphones, tablets, and what this is right here is this is a USB. It's actually an adapter cable. It's a USB, micro USB to standard USB-A, and it hooks up to phones, tablets, and things like that. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Now this is good for if you want to attach peripherals, devices, and things like that to your phone. Or your tablet. So we're going to unbox this right now. Let's take a look at it. So this is on Amazon. And so this is on Amazon. And let's see, do I have to cut it open? Let's see. I don't know if I actually have to cut it open. Do I? It's got a thing right here. Let's see here. I think it's got an open sleeve here. Well, it's real sticky. So what this is going to allow me to do, it's going to allow me to transfer data easily from my mobile devices to a computer, to anything, such as videos. If I want to transfer my video from the phone, from my phone to the tablet for editing, or to the laptop, however we can do that. So it's a 2-pack. And you got this nice little Ugreen sticker. I think that's what it's right there. You guys can see that? Yeah, so I think it's a sticker. I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll put that aside. So we have the 2-pack. So this is it right here. And there's 2 of them. I got the 2-pack. This was about, I want to say, on Amazon, it went for like $6 and change. And with free shipping. So I'll say roughly about $7 for a 2-pack. It's not bad. And once again, it's USB-A. It's USB, micro USB to standard USB. So let's go ahead and open one of them here. This is a 2-pack. We're going to go ahead and open one of them, and we'll show you what exactly it is here. So let's do that. This is it right here. So this is also known as an OTG cable. So for those of y'all who are familiar with mobile devices and attaching peripherals to your mobile devices, let me get this flash on for you guys so we can see a little better. We've got some background light here, but maybe that should help a little more, right? Let's see. Okay, that should help out a little more, right, with the lighting. There you go. So there it is. You see? You can see that right there. If I can get that to focus. Oh, sorry for bumping the camera. There it is. See, that's a micro USB to standard USB-A female. See? And so yeah, what I did before was, because I needed to transfer photos and stuff, like say if you want to go print photos at Walmart or something like that, or anywhere, any other big box store, you want to get the photos from your phone. Well, it's easy. Some of those kiosks will have cables that you can plug your phone into. Some of them you have to download special apps. But if you want to simplify the process and not have to pull your phone out of your pocket and all that, you can transfer all of your stuff to one of these. And of course, this is not a micro USB. This is standard USB, but it works. I mean, it allows you to adapt this to go into your phone. Another thing, this is what I did before. Before I came across these OTG cables, I was ordering special drives. This one I got on Amazon too, was about $12. It has the micro USB on one end, and it has the standard USB on the other end, so you can use either one. You can get this too. This, like I say, this was about 12 bucks on Amazon also. But I figured, you know, if I wanted to use this for data storage, or if I just wanted to use these to keep photos on, you know, to keep stuff on there, I would have to order a whole bunch of these. And at 11 bucks a piece, it's, you know what I mean. At some big box stores, you can get a 3-pack of these 16 gigs for like 12 bucks. So yeah, there's one particular big box store where you can get, not these particular ones, but you know, sometimes you can get these in multi-packs, and it's a good deal. But of course, yeah, you don't have the micro USB or the USB-C to adapt it, so that's where your OTG comes in. So let's do that. I got my tablet here. I got my Fire tablet right here. We're using my Amazon Fire. I would use my phone, but I'm shooting the video with the phone. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get this Fire tablet on. And my Amazon Fire tablet does have micro USB, so we'll just let that boot up for a while there. We'll just wait for that baby to boot on up. Boot on up. Okay, so we'll just swipe that. We'll get it on there. Okay, so if I wanted to take photos off of my Amazon Fire or something like that, there's my micro USB port. Now you just take this and just plug it in there like you do, just like you normally would. If you know how to plug a micro USB into which I know a lot of y'all do, and there it is. Now, instead of having to use this specialty drive right here, I can use any drive I want. I can just plug it on in. Let's do that right now. It's into USB right there. And as you can see, the light is flashing, so it reads it. And yes, it's on the display right here. And let's see what it says. I'm going to have to stick my head in here because I can't see, guys. Okay, ES File Explorer. Open ES File Explorer when this USB device is connected. So, can I use ES File Explorer by default? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I use ES File Explorer. Okay, can you guys see that? Can you all see that? Is it in frame? Okay, so there, that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna hit OK. OK. Where's the OK? Okay. So it's there. So now ES File Explorer is open. Let me see what's on this drive. Hold on, I'm gonna take it out. So it read it. You see right here? It read the drive. Right here, there's my internal storage and there's the other drive. So let me take it out of shot real quick because I'm not sure what's on here. And let me make sure there's no personal data on here or anything like that. Okay. Anything that I don't want you guys to see. Well, nothing bad, you know. Yeah, I'm just talking about like maybe personal family photos that I don't want to show, personal documents that maybe I might not want to, you know what I mean? So we're coming out of shot here for a while. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we do have some photos here that I don't mind showing. I just thought maybe I had personal documents in here, you know, that I didn't want to show. But anyway, yeah, see, so you can see ES File Explorer has read it. There's my internal storage up here on top. Up here on top, there's my internal storage, and then there's the drive down here. You see that? So if I were to unplug that, this one would disappear. So let's go in. There's my folder. See, so now I can access content on this drive, anything I want to see. I'm going to go in there. I do have some personal photos. And let's see here. I can't see the thumbnail, so should I just click on a random one, or I'll just click on one right here? Okay, so here's one right here. Let's just click on this first one. See? So there we go. That's that's my nephew and my sister. And that's me with my nephew right there, JR. You guys have seen him in my videos before. So yeah, this was his graduation. So let's just say, yeah, if I wanted to bring these photos, into the tablet, or if I had photos in my tablet that I wanted to export out, I can do that and do whatever I want. If I wanted to transfer documents or anything like that, Um, since I'm visually impaired, I also use I use some from some free library services. I use Bard. I use the Texas Talking Book program for the blind and visually impaired and so on. And I use a service called Bard. So what that allows me to do is that allows me to download specially formatted audiobooks, Daisy audiobooks, so that I can listen to. They're free of charge. But rather than taking up all the space on my Fire tablet, I can just use this. And sure, I can buy a micro SD card to put in there because I do have a micro SD slot somewhere in here. But oh my God, if you guys know how micro SD cards are expensive, they're pricey. These are a lot cheaper. So yeah, so not much to say here, folks, other than just this is an OTG cable. You can also plug in controllers, you know, like keyboards, a mouse. You know what I mean? You know what? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna just go ahead and just leave you all there for a while. We'll try something. I'm gonna try something here for you guys. Just hold on there, real quick. Alright! So, yeah, I had to go all the way over there to get it, but it's okay. Punk style videos. Maybe I won't edit this one, I don't know. So, we're gonna go back up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click this. You guys, can you see that? Can you see my shot? Can you see it there? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just take this out now. It's right there. Yeah, shot. Okay, so now as I pull this out, see? The drive it's no longer. So we pull the drive out right here. We take this out, and this is what I mean. Let's see if it works with this Fire tablet. It should. If not, my Android tablet will do it. We're gonna take this mouse and we're gonna plug it in and see if I get an arrow. So let's do that. I don't know if this will work here on my Fire tablet. I know it does work on the. It does work for the. And yes, I do have a pointer, guys. Look, see. See this right here, I'm demonstrating this for you live. I know you guys can see this. Well, not live, but recorded. So I have my mouse here. And you guys can see me moving the mouse in the background. Okay, let me try to line this up good, because I don't have good peripheral vision, so. I don't know why, I just had a message on my screen. So if you guys can see, I do have a pointing device. Well, I'm gonna have to get it out of shot because it's not working on that pink mat, but if you guys can see, so I can get it to focus. If you all can see the pointer, I can barely see it. I'll click on something. And let's just say if I wanted to click on a folder here. Guys, I can barely see this. I have to get real close. You see that? So I can navigate my tablet with a mouse. You see that? So a lot of uses for OTG cables. Mice, keyboards, external media, you name it. Alright guys, so any questions that I might be able to answer, shoot them down in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed my video. I was glad to do it. Not much to say about this other than it's just an OTG adapter cable. Real great. I got a good deal on them. So yes, I will talk to you all later. And yeah, maybe for all you gamers who like to do emulators on your phone, and you want to use a controller rather than the screen layovers, you can do this. I mean, this will let you do that. You can connect hard drives and anything you want. It's OTG cable. I don't know if these are compatible with Fire Stick. I don't see why they wouldn't be, but I suppose I can try that in a later video. I don't have a Fire Stick anymore because I got rid of my Fire Stick. I got an NVIDIA Shield. So, alright guys, I will talk to y'all later. Not going to ramble because then it's just useless talking. So, y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all back in my next video. Adios.